Need dice have noticed to light. Sugar will exist there.
Let's hear the facts with a twist of humor.
Science shows real results, not myths.
Your Honor, you are.
Lines.
Liars need to be shown the mirror.
Doctor, diabetes is just a dietary issue, right?
Stop sweets, diets strictly. Wow! If it was that easy, FDA people would just eat salad all day.
But everyone on YouTube says so.
YouTube also says the earth is flat. Shall we take out the mirror now? If diabetes was only fixed by diet, why do millions lose eyes, kidneys, despite strict diet?
I joined your program and reduced insulin. Walk, balanced food, treatment together work wonders.
Okay, so it's not a debate, it's just hype. Hey!
Diabetes is no joke, but lies about it are fine. Eat inshallah.
Do diet, but with wisdom. Otherwise, a case will be filed on your health. Or stay
Beat diabetes, chase away lies, keep laughing, and stay healthy.
Friends, always remember, diabetes is not an imbalanced lifestyle. It can definitely be controlled. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, sugar low, and share it with your loved ones.
If you'd like to join our sugar control program or need personal advice, just leave a comment or reach out using the number link shown below.
In the next video's topic. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy. Allah Hafiz.